Good morning, friends. Wally here. Welcome back to your very own channel, Wall Street to the Large Street. So, I would like to talk today about the Nifty and the overall market and give you a sense of where the market is headed as usual. I'll try to make this a daily habit so that you get a good idea before you start your trade for the day. So, yesterday, Nifty had this inverted hammer pattern closed with negative, almost flat bias, hit a high of 800 odd levels, and then also hit a low of 588 thereabouts. All the 3 days, if you see, we have had big gap ups, big openings, Nifty hitting big highs. Nifty hit 899, almost 900 3 days back. Yesterday as well, we had a big opening. Nifty hit again 800, and yesterday as well. So, all the 3 days we have had Nifty hitting 800 odd levels and then coming down. So, somewhere 800 is acting as a major resistance, folks. So, once till 800 is not broken decisively, I don't think 11,000 would be reached. And with FII starting to sell, those are the first warning signs. But you never know. FIIs are very fickle, so anytime they can just switch and they can twist and turn and then start buying, which would lead the rally. So long term or even medium term, I am bullish. But in the immediate short term, I think we are going to face resistance at these 800, 900 levels because the market has rallied a lot, guys. Market has rallied from 7,500 all the way to 11,000. So there's bound to be exhaustion. There's bound to be profit booking, like we saw in Reliance yesterday. So I would suggest whenever market hits big high, take a put, take a lower put or a nearby put in the money, close to the Nifty put. So like yesterday, we bought 10,500 puts, and then at around 510 rupees, and then it doubled within 15 minutes because the trade was so volatile yesterday. You see these candles. So if you had bought put here, you would have made amazing money in these big red candles. So they were like huge red candles. Reliance was selling off big time, and then they were like big bearish candles that were forming in the last hour of trade. So I would sense if we open flat or positive again, you could go ahead buy some puts and then wait for the market to correct and then square off. But strictly maintain stop losses on the puts, and also if possible avoid trading because this is a very volatile market, guys. You buy put, market might jump up 50 points and you will be staring at huge losses. So I would suggest stay on the shade lines, stay on the sidelines, and if possible buy good banks like Federal Bank for long term. You can apply for Yes Bank, FPO. No brainer, no brainer. These are no brainers, and even if the market corrects, they won't fall much. Around 45 levels, this Federal Bank is an excellent buy. And also Yes Bank available at 13 levels, not a bad buy at all. There's NIIT Tech. I mean, if the Nifty is going to fall, NIIT will definitely rise because even now that NIIT Technologies is a very expensive share, you can buy its subsidiary. This is like the same company, another brand name. They do training and also you could have a look at this as well. See, guys, this is also trading to a discount on its 52-week low highs. And if all the IT companies are 52-week hitting 52-week highs, new highs, even an IT you can go ahead and buy, and it's definitely going to hit. Wipro yesterday was firing. Infi was firing. All these IT stocks are suddenly under the radar because Nasdaq is hitting all-time highs. But then why would we buy it now? We should have bought it a long time back. So all the analysts are going to tell you go buy, 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 and you're going to be stuck on these higher levels. So right now, except NIIT Technologies, I'm not bullish on IT, especially the frontline IT stocks, Infosys, TCS. I wouldn't be buying them at these levels. So if you want to buy, go ahead, be my guest. But then I wouldn't suggest you to buy IT stocks. I would rather tell you to buy banks, which are available at very reasonable price to earnings, which have a long way to go. And once this moratorium and this corona and all is cleared, these banks are going to fly, folks. They're going to fly big, and then you're going to make good money. So, Wally signing off. Have a good day, trade safe, and make truckloads of money, guys. Enjoy the money rain.